She's all about the carbonation.
Oh, Jesus.
It's angled the good way, though.
Oh, which way's that? Up?
Toward the donkey.
You know, I played
Toward the donkey.
a lot in my life. This does kind of.
Yeah, because you know you're old. You got past that
That's
30.
because I got to pay for everything.
Yeah, exactly. What is happening? Your piss stinks. Fucking, it's not going anywhere. Then what the fuck did you drink? Pushy shit. Look at it sizzle. That's pushy. Pushy, pushy, pushy. What the fuck did you put in there, Jason?
Come on, man, my head swims a mile high. Yes, better spatter. I've been told that before. Am I gonna blow? No. Damn it. I'm sorry, Jesse. That's why you don't do it. That's why it takes forever. He never gets there. Maybe. It's not going.
What the fuck did you put in there?
Gas is gas.
Oh, there he goes.
See if that's the sheriff. They're like, they have a torch out there.